Every day, Nestle brings 600 million cups of coffee to people around the world. And it all starts here, with this gift from nature. But the lands where coffee grows are vulnerable, exposed to the effects of climate change. As the largest coffee company in the world, we want to lead the way by protecting coffee crops and their communities. This is our journey to regenerative agriculture. We've supported the planting of millions of native trees in and around our coffee crops to help revitalize soil health and ecosystems, improve air quality and animal life in the area. We're reviving coffee crops and helping communities and places affected by conflict or natural disasters. To help rejuvenate crops, we have distributed 235 million coffee plantlets to farmers who work with us. We've also developed 15 new varieties of Robusta and Arabica that are more resilient to diseases and climate change. In this journey, our 600 agronomists support 200,000 farmers around the world to work in harmony with nature, using more natural fertilizers and reducing water usage. And through our gender equality programs, we train women in farming, financial literacy, and leadership. This is just the start, and we can't do it alone. Together, we can make regeneration a reality for today and generations to come. Because we're all Generation Regeneration.